Hey now. There it goes. 6, 6. 6. Yo!
Wait, what if you start it? It was working a minute ago.
Here.
I think our microwave broke.
Broke. No, don't unplug. Let me see what this says. What does this say, James? China? Made in China? 6, 6, 6.
How to do the double beeps without pressing it?
Yeah, you have to.
No one's pressing it.
You have to press really hard too. It's not heat sensitive. It was working like 5 minutes ago.
Okay. We have a poltergeist. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Oh my god. It's not even usable now.
Satan killed my microwave.
It's not?
No, nothing.
Oh! I got it. I fixed it.
Okay. Oh, those buttons are gone. That's good. What are you doing?
Why does it say 1902?
That's when my grandfather was born.
Oh my god.
Is it? Why?
Maybe your grandfather came to visit and he's cooking up
That
a
shouldn't
tamale.
do
That's
anything.
the last plane flight he took was 6666 out of Newark.
I don't know. Nope, there it goes.
See if the date changed.
James, quit pressing it.
I can't do it anymore.
Alright, I know. It's because Satan's in control now.
Shut up. I'm trying to fix
Wait
it.
till Willie hear this.
I know how to fix it. Call Patty.